we're gonna get these sweet potatoes in. I'm actually going to plant them in the same bed as my corn, because my thought process is the corn will grow tall, the sweet potato will act as a ground covering and keep the soil not too hot and just perfect temperature. So let's see how it works out. Sweet potatoes are very frost sensitive, so please wait until a few weeks after your last frost date. They require full sun, and they take about, this variety is about 90 days until it harvests. Do not plant this with squash. They will compete for room. And do not plant sweet potatoes with sunflowers, because sunflowers do encourage potato blight. Before we get these sweet potatoes into the ground, I actually wanted to let you know I'm conducting a little bit of an experiment here. And that's the great thing about gardening, is that you can do basically whatever you want in your garden and plant how you see fit. Learn from the trials, learn from all the errors and the successes. So I'm gonna plant these sweet potatoes with my sweet corn. No judgment, guys. My garden is an absolute mess. We're actually going through a garden makeover, which I'm recording for you guys, so stay tuned in the weeks ahead. That's it, everyone. Thank you for joining. Please leave in the comments below if you have ever planted sweet potatoes and corn, or what are two plants that you have actually planted together that were successful. I'll see you next week. Bye.